Hello friend, welcome back. This is Golden Thumb. In this video, we'll play with for loop inside for loop, right? Embedded for loop. Okay, so let me show you another way to make a block comment. Okay, we can press slash star enter. You see, like that. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so this is comment. It's different from the other one, right? Like highlight and the command slash. This one is like a block. Everything inside this one will be commented out. So in this video, let's try to print out something like that. Okay. Maybe that to make, yeah, it doesn't matter. So you got it, right? Something like that. Eventually we'll output that. Okay, but first let's try to print out a single one. The first one here. Okay, easy, right? Print a star. Let's run it. Okay, now let's print out 5 of them or 7 of them. Yeah, you can do something like that, right? But let's use a for loop to do that. Okay, so for I think we don't need to use that. We just need the range, right? Let's then say 7 of them, and if we just do that, you guess, right? It will be, run it, 7 lines, but we want to put them in a single row. Okay, remember, we can use terminator a space, right? Like that. So we have 7 stars asterisk asterisks in a row. Okay, how can we make another row? We can do this, right? We can do that. Can we? Let's try. Run it. Nope, we need a line break between them. So we can just use this, print nothing. It means print a line. Yeah, it works. So if we add a third row, we need to make this, right, 3 times, like that. No, twice, right? So 3 rows. Run it. So how can we use another for loop, right? So you see this part of job, right? This part of job is duplicated, is repeated 3 times. So it means we can use another for loop, right? I will still don't need that. Just use the dot dot. That's then 3 times. So whatever we put here will be repeated, right? 3 times. So this is the thing we want to repeat. Okay, delete that. Now let's see, run it. We'll get the same 3 rows of 7 stars, right? Let's output the 5 of them. Run it. And 7 of them. Now think about that. How can we make right? This triangle, 7 of them, now 6, okay? 6, 7. How can we make this triangle? So the first time we only need 1 star in the first iteration of this outer for loop, right? This one should be 1. Okay, so it means this range depends on this number, so let's put it here. How many times? If I is 0, will output 1. Okay, so we can put I plus 1 here, right? So when I is 0, this range will be 0 to 1. If I is 1, the range will be 0 to 1 plus 1, 2, right? 2 of them twice. Okay, let's try it. Run it. It works. Wow, cool. Okay. What about this one? Right? You can give a try like that one. How can we output that thing? Is it harder? Maybe. So it means the first row we need a bunch of spaces, then the star. Okay. Oh, here. Like that, right? And can we leave this as the homework? Haha. Good luck. Thank you for watching. See you next time.